Hi folks, this is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of October 26th, 2010. As always, the charts we use are from software called Trade Navigator that's from Genesis Financial Technologies. Looking at the bond market, I think bonds may have some problem here, which is kind of interesting since it's coming at a time when the Fed's talking about trying to do things to lower rates again. But, they've got a pretty clear looking double top and a distribution pattern forming here, and they've started to break down here. The resistance this week was right around the 132.24 area, which they have held nicely, and they've broken down through, well, doesn't really matter what those are because they broke them, and they're below this swing low here as well. So there's really nothing until they get down to the 128.20 area where this Keltner channel is. And if they should go below that, I think they should find support in that area. But if they go below that, I believe there's something on the weekly or on the monthly at around 127.24. But either way, it looks like a breakdown to at least test this low, and I think probably at least take it out by a little bit before finding support again. This looks like it could be kind of significant, but then, of course, if they stall here and turn back around, then we change our minds. That's how analysis works. In stocks, boy, they've done a pretty good job of rallying back up to test this old high from April here. They're not quite there yet, but they sure look pretty good. The one thing is they have run up and held the resistance in 1193 right smack dab on that blue line up there. They are also holding in the roughly 1177 area as the support here, which kind of really shouldn't be support for this week. I mean, the best support is actually down here 1162, 1165 area. But gosh, maybe they're just not strong enough to get there. But if they do break down, it could scare people like, oh boy, there's the biggest breakdown we've seen in a couple months. But as long as they hold the 1162.65 area, they still have the chance to turn back around and rally. There is a tendency for stocks to rally after midterm elections for a little while. Doesn't have to be anything significant, but there is a tendency to rally for a little while, like there's new hope that whoever they get into Congress will make a difference. Does anybody really believe that? Anyway, that's all we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into, and remember to go vote next Tuesday, would you please? Thanks for checking in.